Jai Hind. Today, I, Shweta Kumari of class 9th A, Army Public School Gwalior, is going to present my social science art integrated project on Manipur through a PPT video to show the art and culture of Manipur. Art integrated activity social science project presented by Shweta Kumari, class 9th A. Acknowledgement. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my social science teacher, Mrs. Rashmi Yadav ma'am, who gave me this golden opportunity to work on this exciting art integrated project of Manipur. This project helped me to enhance my knowledge about Manipur, so thank you to support me. Manipur, the jewel of India. Manipur literally means jewel land or land of jewels. Located in northeastern part of India, Manipur is a land of unparalleled natural beauty with lush green valleys surrounded by the ranges of evergreen blue hills with abundant flora and fauna. Manipur is famous for its rich culture and traditions, scenic landscapes, natural beauty, and mouth-watering cuisines. Location of Manipur. Manipur is a state located in lower eastern corner of Indian subcontinent with the city of Imphal as its capital. It is bounded by Indian states of Nagaland to the north, Mizoram to the south, and Assam to the west. It also borders two regions of Myanmar. The state covers an area of 22,327 square kilometers and has a population of 3 million. History of Manipur. Manipur, which means the jewel land, shows why its name is not just a label but a hearty sum of its parts. The history of Manipur is reflected by archaeological research, mythology, and written history. Mythological origin begins with the region of Konchin Thupthap, Ippu Othappa Pankhampa. Pankhampa was the name given to him, meaning the one who known his father, who gave birth to 7 clans of Meitei society. After the death of Bodh Chandra Singh in 1955, there have been 2 kings of Manipur. Manipur became a princely state under British rule in 1891, the last of the independent states to be incorporated into British India. During the Second World War, Manipur was the scene of battles between the Japanese and the Allied forces. The Japanese were beaten back before the Allies could enter Imphal. After the war, the Manipur Constitution Act 1947 established a democratic form of government with Maharaja as the executive head and elected legislature. In 1949, Maharaja Bodh Chandra was summoned to Shillong, the capital of Indian province of Meghalaya, where he signed a treaty of accession merging the kingdom into India. And thereafter, the Legislative Assembly was dissolved and Manipur became a part of Republic India in October 1949. Culture and heritage of Manipur. Manipur, a beautiful northeastern state of India, boasts of a rich culture. Manipur is a mosaic of ancient traditions and rich cultural patterns. In the field of art and culture, the state is best represented by its classical and folk dance, the colorful costumes, dance movements, and the unique rituals in the tribal festivals like the Lui Nagai Ni are simply majestic. Though the lovely people of Manipur are superstitious sometimes, their beliefs in religion and custom is certainly creditable. The people of Manipur are very creative, they are very artistic, and their history and custom are likely to attract many people from around the globe. Here are a few things that entail Manipur culture. Traditional food of Manipur. Traditional dresses of Manipur. Traditional music instruments of Manipur. Traditional dance of Manipur. Now, the art and craft of Manipur. First, cane and bamboo craft. Cane and bamboo craft in Manipur is an integral part of their daily life. It is a traditional craft and has been practiced from the time immemorial. Manipur is the second largest producer of bamboo products after Tripura in the northeast. Some of the bamboo products are sofa sets, morhas, mats, baskets, etc. Bamboo and cane is also used in housing, fencing, and even clothing. Most products of plains are commercial use like the basket and the fishing traps. Cane and bamboo craft. Now second is stone carving. Stone carving is a traditional craft of Manipur. In Bishnupur district, utility items like bowls, candle stand, grinners, flower vases, etc. are made. Manipuris has a custom of constructing an engraved memorial stone for their deceased describing their achievements and good deeds near the village. These make effective use of stone to carve pictures of god and goddesses, home decor items, etc. This art form depicts the concentration and dedication of Manipur artisans. These are some examples of stone carving items of Manipur. Black stone pottery. These are some examples of black stone pottery. Third, the Kauna weed craft of Manipur. Kauna is a type of reed usually grown in the wetlands and marshes. Imphal Valley of Manipur is the center for Kauna crafts. This is often used for making mats, chairs, cushions, coasters, bags, mora, etc. This product is in great demand in Manipur. There are two types of Kauna available in Manipur. This is often used for making mats and cushions. Around 1,000 craft persons are engaged in the Imphal Valley of Manipur in this particular craft. This product is enjoying a very good demand in the local markets of Manipur. Here are some examples of items made of Kauna grass like mats, flower vases and bags, etc. Wood carving of Manipur. Wood carving is also a craft popular in Manipur due to absence of proper transport and communication with other parts of India. Craftsmen had to depend on wood as material for making various articles of utility. The main products are wooden tray, spoon, drum, etc. These are some examples of wooden items of Manipur. Here, wooden elephant, wooden tray, wooden spoon, etc. Now, textile and weaving of Manipur. Textile weaving is a household industry in Manipur. Coarse cotton cloth and silk is woven on the looms. Cotton thread is imported in large quantities. Cotton yarn is dyed with red, yellow, green, orange, black and pink colors. Artistic design are arranged horizontally and vertically by producing strips and geometrical blocks. These blocks are filled up with geometrical designs of smaller components. The rhythm of the color band is maintained. This craft is also known by La Champi, which means cotton cloth. However, loin loom weaving caters to the local demands or requirements. Manipur is famous for its special fabric like Morangpi, Leram, Lasingpi and Feni. Tribal textiles are woven on loin loom. Sometimes the belt is woven out of the cane or a bamboo. Weaving is universal and every girl knows how to weave. The loom forms part of a dowry. Weaving is done purely for personal use by women, while highly organized commercial weaving is done by men. Textiles of Manipur. Here are some examples of textiles of Manipur. Now, at last, hand embroidery and block printing of Manipur. Hand embroidery of Manipur. Hand embroidery is a popular craft practiced by both men and women folk in Manipur. There are about 10 different varieties of embroideries. Namthang Khuthut, Kamen Chatpa Kabui, Sing Nang Pan flag design, Motrang Pi is temple design are some of the main embroidery designs. Tablecloth, bed cover, handkerchief, TV covers, etc. are the major products. Prominent legendary figures and animal figures are also made. Block printing. Hand block printing is one of the most favorite art and craft of Manipur. The warriors and village chiefs are presented with Khamen Chatpa, hand block printed towel by the Maharaja as a token of their courage and leadership. This type of dress is also used in a religious ceremony. Printing on pillow covers and bedsheet are now very common and popular in Manipur. Here are some examples of embroidery and block printing on shawls and clothes.
Thank you.